It's the unpredictability that makes it so exciting.
I need action, but I also need like a story behind it. I want to make sure it catches the moment.
Your adaptability is constantly under challenge. That's what we do. We don't know what it's going to be like.
But when everything lines up perfectly, it's just an amazing feeling.
We know that the Alpha 1 system is a triple threat of ISO, speed of use and resolution. It's really remarkable what it's capable of doing.
I just love how good this camera feels. The autofocus is just incredibly fast.
I'm really impressed with the AI chip. It estimates human movement.
Face recognition, eye recognition, subject recognition is new, updated, powerful.
The improved image stabilization is a huge advantage, even when shooting handheld at 600 millimeters. And thanks to the new upgraded flip screen, I can get down low in both horizontal and in vertical.
Being able to shoot at a 400th of a second to sync flash is big for us. That's been a real game changer for me.
The pre-capture is just so incredibly good. All of these photos are taken like before I press the shutter.
It has top performances in speed, resolution, and sensitivity. All of them combined, and this new version, it's just taken the best camera and taken it one notch higher.
The evolution of the Alpha system has been incredible. It keeps getting faster, smarter.
Reliability, consistency, quality, sharpness.
Absolutely, Sony is pushing the boundaries. This is in Sony's DNA.